हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज हम सॉल्व करेंगे क्लास 8 का इंग्लिश का पेपर ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप। तो चलिए आइए शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, आई थिंक इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर योर फ्यूचर प्लान। द राइट आंसर इज ए, गिविंग ओपिनियन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज अ पेयर ऑफ लॉन्ग वॉवेल साउंड्स। द राइट आंसर इज डी, सीड, लीड। Question number 3, choose the opinion that has a different meaning in singular and plural forms. The right answer is D, iron, irons. Question number 4, dash book is lying on the table. The right answer is A, whose book is lying on the table. Question number 5, choose the opposite gender of the underlined word. She saved the poor fox from the flood water. The right answer is A, vixen. Question number 6, identify the adjective of the word play. The right answer is B, playful. Question number 7, identify a sentence that has personification. The right answer is C, daffodils were smiling in the air. Question number 8, what can you say if someone interrupts you before you have finished making your point of view? The right answer is A, let me finish this. Question number 9, identify the figure of speech used in the given sentence. After completing their work, they slept like a log. The right answer is D, simile. The right answer is C, simile. Question number 10, I knew dash happened to you. The right answer is D, what? Question number 11, identify the sentence in which remain is used as a linking verb. The right answer is B, he always remains positive about future. Question number 12, they could not attend the meeting because they dashed the office in time. The right answer is C, had not reached. Question number 13, how would you express your point of view about the dangers of smoking? Question number 13 का आंसर है C, smoke. Answer is C, smoking is injurious to health. Question number 14, identify the type of the underlined phrase from the following sentence. My remarkable and talented sister won the scholarship. The right answer is B, adjective phrase. Question number 15, my father sent me a book which I studied well. The right answer is D, deeply. Question number 16, which of the following sentences contains a metaphor? The right answer is B, she is a rock of stability. Question number 17, Mr. and Mrs. Fuzzle bought a new gift for dash baby. The right answer is C, there. Question number 18, I want you to meet the police officer dash courage impressed everybody. The right answer is B, whose. Question number 19, choose the sentence with intransitive verb. The right answer is C, the moon shines in the sky. Question number 20, identify calm as a comparative adverb from the given sentences. The right answer is C, you performed more calmly than him. Question number 21, which of the following is a sentence with the correct use of semicolon? The right answer is A. Question number 22, identify the type of underlined clause. The land gets wet when it rains. The right answer is A, main clause. Question number 23, identify the type of the following sentence. We visited many beautiful places in Punjab last year. The right answer is A, simple sentence. Question number 24, choose the passive voice of the following sentence. Fatma Jinnah wrote the biography of Quaid-e-Azam. The right answer is D, the biography of Quaid-e-Azam was written by Fatma Jinnah. Question number 25, identify the passive voice of the following sentence. We ate all the apples. The right answer is D, all the apples were eaten by us. Question number 26, Azhar threw tomatoes at Babur. Which word should be capitalized? The right answer is C. Babur. Question number 27. Choose an adverbial phrase that fits into this sentence. Sarah ate her breakfast dash because she was late for school. The right answer is C. Really quickly. Paragraph instructions. Read the following sentences carefully and answer the questions that follow. Question number 28. From where did the fire spread? The right answer is C. From the campfire. Question number 29. The fire was quickened by. The right answer is B. A breeze. Question number 30. The man who saw a little fire did not try to put it out. Why? D. He did not care about it. Question number 31. What should one do as a responsible citizen if one sees fire near a forest? A. Try to put out the fire properly. Question number 32. Identify the theme of the poem. The right answer is C. The causes of forest fire. तो ये था आज का पेपर। अगर आपको अच्छा लगा तो इसे लाइक और शेयर जरूर कर दें और इस तरह की मजीद वीडियोस को देखने के लिए मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लें। अगली वीडियो तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज।